Next car can go.
All right. So light it up. There you go.
Oops.
Just all the way over.
Okay.
Yep, there you go.
Excellent. And don't stop here, huh?
Not here. Yeah, just cut through there. Right down the lanes. There you go. It can be confusing. We walk you can go left or right.
Okay.
In between those two cones. And then if you kind of go deep and cut around,
Oops.
you go deep into that one and it'll set you up for coming back this way. Somebody got a few there.
Yeah.
Now stop here and clear the intersection, then go. And right up here is where you'll parallel park.
Between these set of cones?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure to use your signal. We tell these recruits, hey, just because we try to get them in the habit of doing these things, especially for emergency response and even pursuit driving. They have to show due regard. All right.
Yes.
Perfect.
Park.
All right.
Okay.
And then
There we go.
back out.
Back out, or can I pull out?
Yeah, you can pull out and then go between the green cones and down. It'll make you a U.
Between the green cones.
Yep. So we put them through these things. We put them. We got a time for them, which is very fair, but it tests them. It kind of pushes them. They got to stop behind the stop lines.
Mm-hmm.
The car's got to come to a complete stop, and they're supposed to signal and then move out. And when you come out here, you're going to go into another
Okay.
go between those two green cones there. And kind of same there. If you'll keep it tight on this side, it'll set you up for going deep. And same there, deep there, and it'll. And then go.
Which way?
Back out that way.
That way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back out. So that's our inner city course.
Okay.
So then we're done here. So just flip that off. That's our inner city course, and they'll run that a lot faster, But now what happens is we orient them. We'll take them out there and walk them through and give them a good idea of what we're looking for, and they still get under a little bit of stress. So
Okay. Where should I park
you
it?
just park it right there. Just pull it straight over here.
Straight over here?
Yeah. We'll move it back to where it needs to go.